Hi, everyone. This week we will learn all about people and places in our community. Today, we will read an article titled Learning at School. We will hear some words such as teacher, learn. Point to something you learn at school. Can you tell a friend or family member one thing you learn at school? At school, I learned how to become a teacher. I love being a teacher. So let's get to our article. I will read this article 2 times. So listen carefully because afterwards we will take out our book of knowledge and we will draw or write one thing that we have learned to share with our class. Let's start by looking at this picture. What do you see? I see a classroom in a U.S. school. All right, let's get to the top of the page. Why do you go to school? You go to school to learn. You learn how to read and write at school. You also learn math, science, and history. What else do you learn at school? Schools have teachers. Teachers help you learn things. Sometimes teachers read books aloud. Other times, teachers lead activities. They teach in classrooms. Classrooms often have desks and a big board at the front. They can have posters on the wall. What other things can you see in a classroom? Schools also have students. You are a student. School is a great place to meet new friends. All right, let's read that one more time. Why do you go to school? You go to school to learn. You learn how to read and write at school. You also learn math, science, and history. What else do you learn at school? Schools have teachers. Teachers help you learn things. Sometimes teachers read books aloud. Other times, teachers lead activities. They teach in classrooms. Classrooms often have desks and a big board at the front. They can have posters on the wall. What other things can you see in a classroom? Schools also have students. Yes, just like you. You are a student. School is a great place to meet new friends. I would agree with that. All right, friends. Now it's time to take out a notebook or a piece of paper and something to write with. We will write or draw one thing you learned to share with our class. I will take out our class book of knowledge. Let's go to week 4, places in our community. Day 16, learning at school, and a community of people. The task is draw a picture of yourself learning at home or at school. All right, before we begin, let's go back to our word bank. Remember, our word bank is here to help us spell new words, such as teacher and learn. I will start by drawing myself sitting at the table in front of my computer. Usually I sit in a chair in front of the table with my computer. And when I'm done with my drawing, I can label the different parts of my picture. So this is me, and I'm a teacher. So I'm going to write the word teacher. And remember, if I don't know how to spell a word, I can always check my word bank. Teacher. The first sound is T, the last sound is R. And these two letters come together to make that ch sound. And on my screen are my students. Yes, that's right. So I can also say students. S T U D N T and S, because of course there's more than one. Students. And what are my students doing? Oh, that's right. They are learning. Learning. So I'm going to add ing. And when I'm done drawing my picture, labeling the different parts of my picture, I'm going to add a sentence. What can I say? I can say, oh, I know. I'm going to start my sentence off with the letter I. I am a teacher. And when I'm done with my sentence, I can end it with a period. Let's read this together. I am a teacher. All right, now it's your turn.